2023 has already been a year of many changes, particularly for New Jersey drivers. For the first time in over 50 years, the state mandated an increase to the minimum liability requirements for their auto insurance. Governor Phil Murphy signed a bill authorizing the increase back in August 2022, which raised the current minimum liability requirements from $15,000 to $25,000 back on January 1st of this year. The increase will mostly affect New Jerseyans who are currently insured at the minimum coverage, which the state's Department of Banking and Insurance estimates to be just over 1 million policyholders. Lawmakers who advocated for the increase say this will help keep pace with inflation over the coming years and cover the new average cost of auto accident settlements. The bill mandates 2 increases, with the second happening on January 1st of 2026. Here's a quick comparison of the minimum requirements. As you can see, the bodily injury liability per person increases in $10,000 increments, while the bodily injury liability per accident does so in $20,000 increments. Property damage liability per accident increased once in 2023 to $25,000 and will see no other increase in 2026. Both uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage per injury and accident will increase in $10,000 and $20,000 increments respectively. Only personal injury protection, or PIP, has remained unchanged at $15,000. Although Davis, Saperstein Salomon does recommend that everyone protect themselves and their family members with at least $250,000 worth of PIP coverage. This change might have affected you already, and if not, you will see an increase when your policy renews later this year, most likely in the range of $100 to $200 per vehicle. If you have more questions about how this bill will affect your insurance policy, you should reach out to your independent insurance agent for more clarification. And if you need representation after an auto accident, call Davis, Saperstein Salomon at 201-444-4444. Having insurance is one thing, but getting the justice you deserve is another. Call us for a free consultation. We're here for you.